Day01 of Rebuilding Random Websites. Today, I picked the Land Effects website. They're doing some amazing work, but honestly, their landing page isn't doing justice to that. There's too much information, no clear structure, and the overall design feels outdated. So I decided to rebuild the landing page from scratch. I used React.js with TypeScript, custom CSS for styling, and Framer Motion for subtle animations. Focused on clarity, minimalism, and a better user experience. And here's the final result.